Mahajan. I am 11 years old. I study in 6th grade at Chidek International School, Hyderabad, India. I want to revolutionize the agriculture. Today, farmers work very hard to harvest the crops which turn into the food we eat. Nowadays, we see farmers having to do so much manual labor. This is expensive and time-taking. It is also because the farmers cannot buy such big lands for their machines. In most Indian farmers do not own that much land in India. 1 acre in India costs 30 lakh rupees. Add that to a plantation cost, which is 2 to 4 lakh rupees. That means a farmer has to pay 35 lakh rupees just for 1 acre. That is very costly for a regular Indian farmer. Therefore, I have made a project on Pictoblox depicting the machines that I have made, which are cheap, automatic, and do not take up much space. They can be controlled by the farmer by a dashboard installed on their device. Now there are 4 machines. The first machine is the Smart Seed Planter. It consists of 1 plastic box with all the mechanics, 1 arm which extends for how much you want it to, 1 claw which can pick up and drop the soil, and another plastic box which has seeds in it and can be dispensed on user input. The second machine is the Smart Plant Harvester. Now this also has 1 plastic box for the mechanics. Now this one has a platform that is at the bottom of the machine and can be extended for how much you want. It has spinning spikes on the front ends. So when the platform extends, it will cut all the plants and the plants will fall on the platform. After all the plants are cut for 1 acre, the platform rises to the top and there is a tray on top of the plastic box. The platform turns and all the plants land on inside the tray. And the third machine is the Smart Plant Irrigator. It consists of 1 plastic box with all the mechanics. On its side, it has a pipe hole from which a pipe extends. On the front edge of the pipe, it is turned by 90 degrees. There is a water tray on top of the plastic box where the machine takes the water for irrigation. Now the water will get dispensed through the pipe. So for example, the pipe will go forward, stop, dispense water, and this process will continue. The last machine is the Smart Solar Insect Trap. Now this one is very interesting. It contains 1 plastic box but has an open top. Inside the plastic box are many LEDs on the sides and there is water on the bottom. The LEDs are powered by solar panels on the sides of the plastic box. This can be kept in the middle of an acre and it will kill all the moths around it, as moths are attracted to light. When the LEDs are on, the moths will get attracted, land on the water and die. This is the explanation of my project. Now I will show you how it works. So this is my logo, Smart Farm Machines. I have made this by myself. Here's the start button. I can click on it and then it will ask me for my name. My name, now here are the problems that most farmers face when farming. These are insecticides are harming plants, manual labor is costly, and irrigation problems and adding fertilizers. I have found a solution to these problems by making a dashboard. Also note that this project is not based on actual time for the growth of a plant. So as we can see, this is the dashboard. It consists of all these parts. It also consists of the machines also. So if I, for example, choose a sector, so the farm is divided into 4 sectors. If I select sector A and I activate the Smart Seed Planter, we can see it activates. We can do that for the other plants also, and we can see this thing starts growing, and we can see that this one has grown fast. This is because sector A is very fertile while the other sectors are not that fertile. If we harvest, we can see the harvesting process. Now the plant will start growing again and again.
So for other sectors also I can plant the seeds and it will start growing. But since they're not as fertile as sector A, they will take it slow. And I can also show my other machines. For example, this is my Smart Plant Irrigator. We can see that there's the pipe hole, the pipe extends, and water is going out to the plant. And this is my Smart Solar Insect Trap. It has LEDs inside powered by solar panels, and there is water inside. So when moths come near the LEDs, they land on the water and they die. We can see that, for example, if I plant seeds in sector C, it does the same thing. And now I have shown all the 4 processes. Now these are machines that I want to implement in the real world. So this can be implemented in like 1 acre of a farm, and it's also very cheap. In this project I have only shown 4 sectors as a prototype. We can see sector A grows plants very fast and it will be useful for the farmer.
So I love this platform of Codeva 2022. It has helped me so much to show my ideas on how I can help the agriculture. If farmers use this, it will help the agriculture a lot. I really thank Stempedia and for making this competition for everybody so that they can express their ideas. Thank you.